Okay, this is what we're doing. These are condensers out of air conditioning units. You got to get these ends off because these are steel. You see the magnet sticks to them. And this is aluminum with copper going through it. So what you want to do to get clean prices is get these off. So the best way I've found is I take them, I clamp them down real nice in the vise, take a Sawzall. Well, maybe if I had a blade that was sharp. Let me change my blade. That blade's not too good. Quick blade change. Let's try this one out. There you have it. Knocked over all my stuff, but oh man. There you have a clean air conditioning condenser ready to go to the scrapyard. So thanks for watching.